we start our math lesson, we're going to have a math brain warm-up, okay? We're going to warm up our brains. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn to our buddy, and we're going to have a time for buddy treats, okay? Now, L has been out, so whoever your buddy is going to explain, okay? And today for buddy hands, we're going to do 5. Okay, so how many hands are you going to need to use? Oh, Peyton just went. Let me know. 1 hand. Okay. All right. Making 5. Turn to your buddy and go. Making 5. Back to me. I saw some great things. I love the way that some of you were thinking about it, even helping your neighbor. If they had maybe didn't make 5, or if they made a mistake, you helped them out to make 5. I want you to look right down here. What have we made this morning? What have we made? Yes?
A number bond.
A number bond, that's right. We have made a number bond, and I need some help this morning. Okay? So I'm going to put some counters in this circle. And can someone tell me what this circle represents? What does that circle tell you? What do you think? What is that circle called, Bryn? Keep thinking about it. Sandra, help her out.
The hole.
Did you hear that? That circle is show me with your hands, the hole. And so what are we going to do with that hole? What are we going to do with that whole number? Kinsley.
We're going to decompose.
Did y'all hear that word? That is a nice big word. Say it one more time loudly.
Decompose.
Everybody.
Decompose.
What does that mean? It's such a big word. What does that mean to decompose? Adibel?
Take the thing, the circle apart.
Show me with your hands. Here's our hole. Take it apart. All right, let's take this apart. Now, we've got to figure out our hole, right?
Yes.
How many counters, Max, do I have? Olivia, skip back, please. 6. Here we go. Okay, I need some help. Bryce, would you go take some counters and move them to one of our circles? We're going to break this number apart. Very good. Now, he took that 6 apart. Tell me what the parts are now. What numbers, or what did he decide to do? Anna. Good. Show me with your fingers. 4 and 2. Make what? 6. Very good. Now, can we do it a different way? Can we take 6 apart a different way? Jude, I have not heard from you this morning. I'm going to put our hole back. Think about it. He had 4 and 2. He's going to do something different. 2 job. Show me with your fingers. What do you do? A different way, right? Good thinking. Here we go. 3 and 3 make 6. Good. And let's talk about some of our really neat words that we've been learning about in learning to decompose. Call everybody. Counters. Counters. Madison, do you see those counters? Tell me about those counters. One group is going to be using these two-sided counters today. Emery. How many? 2 what? 2 red. Oh, we haven't said that today. Plus 3. What color? Yellow. What's that symbol, boys and girls?
Equal.
Everybody.
Equals.
And Emery? 5. So we can use counters to help us decompose. We can use number bonds. What else? Emily. Emily, hold on 1 second. I want everybody to sit crisscross applesauce. Hands in your lap. Show me that you're listening to Emily. Olivia, Eli needs in our circle. Can you scoot back, please? Scoot back a little bit, Jace. Go ahead, Emily. I'm sorry for interrupting you. Oh, we can tell a story about it. So 2 fish are in the pond. 3 more join them. Show me with your fingers. 2 are in the pond. 3 more join them. How many all together? Ooh, that's another important couple of words. All together. How many, boys and girls?
5.
Good. One more thing, and I'm going to show you right here. What is it? What is it? Andrew.
A 10 frame.
A 10 frame. And we can use a 10 frame to help us decompose. And we're doing all of this, helping us. Who remembers what this guy's name is? Olivia?
Mr. Plus Sign.
Mr. Plus Sign. And we're going to start doing this. What's that?
Addition.
If you know that you're a giraffe, go to center 1. Good job, Brandon. Good thinking, Eli. Let's see if they know what to do when they get to their center. Tigers, head to center 2. Good. Hippos, head to center 3. And zebras to center 4. All right, Geo, go.
Put some cubes right here.
Well, they put them back in. I didn't see them.
I
Look, Madison's moving them out. She's decomposing that number 5, and then she's going to write those numbers in those clouds. Good job, Bree. Move them out.
did it.
Good. Have you written your numbers? Now, kind of tricky. Your next problem, the number changes. Good, Drew. She's counting them out. Now, write your numbers in the clouds because you decomposed 5 into 3 and 2. There you go.
One more makes 5.
Good. Now write your numbers.
see that thing coming?
That's your bracelet right there. Make sure you get your numbers here. Oh, and you got number 8.
Let's get bigger and bigger.
Now, how many here? Let's see. You're working on this one, right? Okay. You've done that one before. Try a different one. I'm going to give y'all some drawing paper. And I'm going to do something that you like.
Ready? She has her clipboard, she has a pencil, and she has 2 crayons that are different colors. Now, once you're ready like her, head to the board in front. Make sure you're on your color. Back to me. I learned I can take a number apart into different parts. I learned about a hole. I heard lots of things about fish. I learned how to move beads on a bracelet. We've never done that before. Some of you have been in that center this week and some of you haven't. Now, good things that I'm hearing. Proud of that. All right, I want you to pick up your board, put it in your lap, and look at the first set of hands. Now, I see 2 hands, and I see a shape in the center. We learned about shapes the last few weeks. Who can tell me if you know what that shape is called? Julie.
Hexagon.
Did you hear him? How did you know that, Julian? Very good. It has how many boys and girls?
6.
6. Good. So what I want you to do is in that hexagon, I want you to write the number 5. We are going together, this first one, we're going to decompose 5. Raise your hand if you want to help me with the first hand. Eli. How many would you like to color on the first hand? 4. Okay. You choose what color you want and color 4 fingers on just this hand. If you have colored 4 fingers, thumb up. Good job. Now, we are decomposing 5, and we colored 4 green. Oh, I colored 4 green. You probably have a different color than that too. How many more do we need to color on this side to make 5? Peyton.
One.
Very good. So take your other color and go to that other hand and color 1 finger. And then put your crayon down. Ready to head back to your seat. Look at me. I have not asked anyone or told anyone to get up. Still crisscross applesauce. When you head back to your seat, what are you going to do with 8? Emily, what are you going to do with 8? You're going to take 8 apart. You're going to decompose 8. The same color on both hands? What is it? Different colors. And then go on to 4, and the last one will be 6. I can't wait to see how good you decompose these numbers. Eyes on me. G-A.